Here is how you can delete your Epic Games account. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Epic Games account. So let's start. First of all, open any browser. Then after, search for Epic Games and go to its official website. As you open the website, log into your account and you'll come to a page like this. Then after, go to this profile-like icon on the top and then click on account. As you open the settings page, scroll through account settings to the bottom. Then after, you will find this delete account section. Carefully read all the details that are written on the screen. As you can see, your account will be deleted in 14 days after you submit the request to delete it. Furthermore, you can reactivate your account by trying to log in within the 14 days time period. So after you have read all the details, click on request account delete. Then after, click on delete account and your Epic Games account will be submitted for deletion. So in this way, you can easily delete or remove Epic Games account. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.